Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making a chicken cacciatore. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry, some of them are from your local store. Let's get started. So our first step is we need to cut our peppers and our onion into thin strips. We need to open up our can of black olives, our tomato sauce, and our diced tomatoes. We need to lightly season our chicken on both sides. We need to add just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan on medium heat. Okay, now we need to add our chicken to this pan, and we're gonna cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. You wanna make sure that it's nice and brown on both sides of the chicken. All right, we've cooked for another 3 minutes on that side. We're gonna go ahead and remove the chicken. We need to take our onions and peppers and add it to that pot. We're gonna cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. There are a lot of cacciatore recipes that use red or white wine. Today we're gonna be using chicken stock. Now we're gonna add our tomato sauce, our diced tomatoes, our black olives, our oregano, and our garlic. We're gonna stir that together. Now we're gonna add our chicken back to the pot. We wanna bring that to a simmer. Go ahead and cover it. We're gonna cook for 15 minutes. Okay, now we wanna take our thermometer. We wanna put it right in between the leg and the thigh to make sure we reach 165 degrees. So now we can turn this off, and we're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes just to cool off.
This recipe is full of vegetables like onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes that are a good source of vitamin C. It also has chicken as the protein source. You can also pair it with a whole grain pasta or brown rice and a side of fruit, such as canned pears or peaches, to make it more of a balanced meal.
Delicious.